Hello, and welcome to another video where we will show you 10 rapid ways to generate passive income online from home in just 24 hours. The number one method on this list involves coin, crypto, and NFT apps willing to pay you to learn about NFTs and cryptocurrencies. These apps will deposit around $3 to $6 into your account whenever you answer a few questions on their platforms to help you understand how cryptocurrency and NFTs work. For instance, when you log into your Coinbase account, you can learn and earn by watching videos. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You watch the educational videos, gain knowledge, and answer a few questions about specific coins or NFTs, and the app rewards you with some money for your time and effort. Number 2 on the list is about getting some free money just to sign up. Webull is a top pick when it comes to making money online, because it's an excellent app that you can join without any cost. There's no need to spend a single cent. All you have to do is link your bank account to the app and make an initial deposit of at least $100 to activate your account. In return, they'll give you 12 fractional shares, which could add up to a value of $30,600. You have the option to sell those fractional shares along with your initial deposit and withdraw the entire amount. It's essentially free money waiting for you. Now let's talk about number 3 on this list. We have an app or website called Capterra. Capterra offers a straightforward opportunity to earn some extra cash. All you need to do is sign up for free, write reviews on various products, and they'll pay you $10 for each review. You can submit up to 10 reviews on their website. It's a simple way to make some money online by sharing your opinions. Now, let's talk about number 4 on our list, which involves using Google Maps to find potential clients. Here's how you can do it. Simply go to Google and search for various types of businesses like nail salons, eye doctors, dentists, IT services, boutiques, gyms, pet shops, vet clinics, jewelry stores, restaurants, bookshops, and vintage stores. The possibilities are endless when it comes to the types of businesses you can search for on Google Maps to offer your services and make some quick money online. This is probably one of the easiest and fastest ways for you to start making money online right now. Now let's talk about number 5, which is the subscriber fund. Certain YouTube channels offer a $50 reward for joining their weekly giveaways. Some even hold these giveaways on a daily basis. Just be sure to identify the legitimate ones. If you're interested in the opportunity to win free money directly from these YouTube channels, all you need to do is sign up and get started. It's a simple way to start making money online today. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Now let's talk about number 6, short-form content. This is a quick way to make money. Every time I've used short-form content for things like selling products, doing CPA or affiliate marketing, or promoting my digital products, it's worked like a charm. This method is often underestimated. YouTube even had to remove links from YouTube Shorts descriptions because people were using this traffic method so effectively. All you need to do is add a link in your bio. If you want to learn how to do that, check out my video on typing words where I explain exactly how to get started and make money right away. For creating short-form content, you can use InVideo. Just tell it what you want and it'll make a video for you. Once you have the video, share it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Posting the same video on all 3 platforms can bring in some impressive results, and you'll start seeing sales coming in soon. Number 7 on this list is CPA marketing. It's quite similar to affiliate marketing with a slight difference. In CPA marketing, people just need to provide some personal information, like their email, on a landing page, and you can earn anywhere from $4 to $20 for each action like that. When someone does this, they become a qualified lead for a business. Companies are willing to pay to acquire these leads, and they share some of that money with you. To find these CPA offers, you can use apps like TapMob or websites like cpalead.com. There's also a free method to drive traffic to these CPA offers. First, you can create short-form content as mentioned earlier. Second, you can use blogs by writing on platforms like Reddit or Medium. You can even use ChatGPT to help generate articles. Posting these articles on such sites can get you free traffic from Google search results. Now, let's move on to number 8, which is specifically for folks in the UK. It's worth noting that I haven't come across other countries besides the UK and the US offering this opportunity. In the UK, banks are willing to pay you up front for simply switching to their services. Let's say you have an account with Lloyds, and you want to switch to a different bank like TSB. most banks in the UK offer switch incentives, which can range from £110 to £350, depending on the bank and their specific requirements. The best part is you don't have to handle the technicalities yourself. The bank takes care of transferring your direct debits, moving your money from one account to another. It's all automated. Your job is simply to visit the new bank and sign up for a new account. In the US, there are also some banks that reward you for opening new bank accounts or getting new credit cards. So I highly recommend exploring and taking advantage of these offers. Moving on to number 9, affiliate marketing. Something I'm quite passionate about. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. You don't have to create your own products, invest money up front, or handle customer service, returns, or refunds. It's all about discovering a product online and promoting it. You can become an affiliate for a product without the hassle of developing your own. Method number 10 is all about making money by listening to music online. The process is pretty simple. You sign up for platforms that pay you for music reviews, and then you provide feedback on the songs you listen to. It's a great way to enjoy music while adding some extra cash to your wallet. In today's fast-paced digital age, these 10 rapid ways to make money online are not just incredible, they're a testament to how technology, particularly AI, has revolutionized how we approach financial freedom. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the internet, these methods have become the go-to side hustle for those looking to boost their income and seize new opportunities. AI has played a pivotal role in shaping these avenues for financial growth. It's the engine behind platforms that pay you for things like answering questions, creating short-form content, or even listening to music. This technology streamlines processes, making it easier than ever to access these income streams. Take making money playing games, for instance. With AI-driven advancements, gaming platforms can reward players for their time and skills, turning leisure activities into profitable ventures. Furthermore, the power of AI can't be overlooked in the world of content creation. From generating articles to producing video content, it's helping individuals effortlessly tap into online markets. The benefits of these opportunities are abundant. They offer flexibility, allowing you to earn extra money at your own pace and on your own terms. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking to contribute financially or someone simply seeking to diversify their income sources, these methods cater to a wide range of needs and lifestyles. The bottom line is that the digital age has ushered in a new era of earning potential, and AI is at the forefront, making it more accessible and lucrative than ever before. So, if you've been thinking about how to make money online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any of the other methods mentioned, there's no better time than now to dive in and explore the vast landscape of opportunities that technology has opened up. Your financial journey towards a more prosperous future might just be a click or a review away. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.